What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael from SelfMade Profits. And if you're looking for a way to earn some extra income from home, you're looking to have that flexibility in life, you've come to the right place. Today I'll be going over how you can make $10 over and over just by testing websites online, okay? Now, before I do that, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell because you definitely want to be notified every time I put out content like this, okay? Now, the website here is called Try My UI. So you can go to Google and just put Try My UI, or you just want to go to your browser, put trymyui.com, and that'll take you to the website here. As you can see, you're basically going to be just testing websites, okay? So sometimes companies come out, they put out their websites, and they want to know how the users are engaging with the website, if there's any kinks that need to be worked out on the website, how they're navigating through the website. So the only way they can tell this is if they have somebody test their website and basically give them feedback. So Try My UI allows that to happen. What they do is that they match you up with these companies that are looking for testers, and you'll go on their website, you'll basically test it, you'll use it just like how any regular user would go on the website, and you just basically speak your thoughts aloud, and they'll record it exactly what's going on with the website. So you give them feedback. And the feedback, they record that and they go ahead and work out the kinks or anything that's wrong with the website. They go ahead and work it out. That way they can get their website running smoother. Okay, so this is pretty good for both sides. They get to work on their website and you get paid for doing that. Okay, so when you come on the website here, you're gonna go ahead and click on where it says become a tester, or you can click up at the top right, and this will take you to the next page. And on this page here is gonna basically give you a quick rundown of how this all works. Okay, so at Try My UI, you get paid to use websites and apps and give your honest feedback. We help make the web easier for everyone to use by letting designers and coders see the obstacles that real people run into on their sites and apps. All you have to do as a tester is to be yourself. Use the test website exactly as you would in a real life situation, and voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so the site developers can understand your experience and others like you. You will be paid $10 for each test you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. Sign up now to start making the web a more user-friendly place. So it's pretty simple, guys. You're just going to go on the website, use it as normal. You're going to basically give out your feedback aloud, and then they're going to record that. They're going to go ahead and pay you out for your time. Okay, so this $10 each time you take the test. It lasts about 20 minutes. So if you do 3 tests in an hour, that's basically $30 that you made it in that 1 hour. So that's pretty good. This is the form here where you would go ahead and fill it out to get started. As you can see, payments are made via PayPal. So I was looking all over to see if this allowed any international countries to be to be a part of this. I didn't see anywhere where it said that, but most of the time when they're paying with PayPal, that means that you can live anywhere, and as long as you have a PayPal account, you're going to get paid. Okay, so pretty much I believe that international countries are included in this. Okay, so you'll go ahead and put in your full name. Your PayPal email will go in here. All right, not your regular email. You'll put your PayPal email so that way you can get paid. You'll put in your password, and then you can go ahead and submit. They usually get back to you within 1 day, I believe, 1 or 2 days. They'll get back to you, and then you'll be able to get started making some money from home. Okay, so go ahead and go onto the website, make sure you fill out the form, and you'll be able to get started. All right. Now the payments are sent out every Friday. Okay, so you will get paid every Friday, and the tests are cleared for payment after being reviewed and accepted by their graders. So once they have reviewed everything, they accept it, you will be getting paid out for it. Okay, as you can see here, it says there is no limit on the number of tests you can do, but expect to get a few each week. Okay, so this is not like a full-time work. All right, so this is basically something you can do on the side to make some extra money while you're working your 9 to 5 or wherever else you're able to make some extra money on the side. So this is pretty much a pretty good side gig. Okay. Now, guys, I definitely wanted to bring this to you. If you found value in this video, please make sure you go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, and click that notification bell. I will definitely be putting out more videos like this for you. Also, I will be putting out my new ebook. It's gonna basically go over how you can get started making money from home doing affiliate marketing, and just making passive income. So be on the lookout for that, guys. All right. Definitely want to help you out, guys. If you like this content, once again, make sure you go in and like the video. Become self-made today, and have a great day.